guys, welcome to my YouTube. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can probably tell from the intro, I'm here in Mykonos celebrating my soon-to-be sister-in-law's bachelorette. We've just arrived. I'm sorry, the sun's just in my face, it's so bright over here. The flight was really nice. It was actually a packed flight. Currently getting ready to go to lunch. It's an all-white theme, so I need to get ready real quick. Go to, I can't remember what restaurant. I'll insert the restaurant name below. But yeah, our hotel's so lovely. Location is beautiful. I'll insert a clip of a room tour so you can see where we're actually staying. I'm sharing rooms with Sade, which is my sister-in-law's niece. Love her to bits, she's such a sweetie. Yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll take you along to lunch with us.
If I'm giving you the cold shoulder, that's closure. Needed someone to hold. But we both had our own motives. Never told him that mine was to stay alone. And you don't belong to me, so you don't have to let me go. Doesn't always have to be something more. I'll be on my way.
So guys, Mykonos is full of steps, hills, steep steps, and we walk everywhere. Everybody looks gorgeous in their blue and denim attire. Super That's Beach Club. That's where we're gonna go and chill today, and then later on we're gonna go for dinner. I don't know where we're going for dinner either, but I do remember that the theme is sunset, so you will see all our lovely sunset outfits. Yeah, guys, and then I'll just updated on the day and then make sure what I eat, because you know I'm a foodie and I love my food.
There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down.
Lorraine, are you happy?
I'm so happy. I'm trying not to get blown away out here, but other than that, I'm gassed.
Anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone who cares.
The sun is amazing. The breeze is well needed to keep you cool. But we're having such a great time. Cheers. There's the hungry belly people that we are. Hungry, yeah. We're having dinner at like, I think the restaurant's booked for 6 or 7. It's currently 1:55 and a little bit peckish. Like I'm not starving, but I'm peckish. So we ordered some fries. It comes with feta cheese and tomato. Garlic is like tomatoes, so we got it on the side. I also ordered calamari because I love calamari. Yeah, yeah. So guys, I'll show you when it comes. Hi guys, I'm such a bad vlogger. Our food came and I forgot to show you. So we already started eating. Let me show you what we've been in. Has fries with feta cheese. Tomato was in there, but I've eaten that already. I like tomatoes. That's the feta cheese, and then this is the calamari, and it is very good. What would you give it?
10 out of 10. No,
10 out of 10.
8.5.
8.5, yeah. It's not quite a 10 out of 10, but it's what we needed for the time and the moment. Hey guys, so quick update. We're now waiting for the rest of the girls so that we can go to Principote for dinner. I heard it's a really nice restaurant, like the vibes are really good. Kind of turns into like a party scene. So yeah, it should be good enjoyment.
They not like us. What? That's for you, man. I'm the one that.
A new youngin', shawty, you were trying to run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things I know. Said day one, you running right back. Say the drama, you running out.
We might miss the fight. Fuck a lot, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you now.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? I got barbecue crisps. Oh, tacky. That one.
I don't know what to say, guys. Like, this is, I mean, just the fact that everyone is here is amazing. Everyone took the time out off work, you know, off from doing things that are important to them. I know, like, a lot of you have a lot going on as well. So blessed. And I was saying that earlier, like, sometimes it's easy to say, oh, like, you know, you're lucky and whatnot, but it's not really about luck, is it? Like, I am blessed to have you guys in my lives. And, you know, I mean, technically everyone is family, but, you know, acquired family is like Stacey and Leanne. But to see this blend of, you know, just beautiful, ambitious, kind women, you know, and just like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I did to deserve that, but, you know, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. I'm grateful for this experience. And Mykonos is absolutely stunning. You're gonna set me up, Charlie. You know you don't want me to stop. All right, but when I start, I don't stop. But yeah, it's more than I never thought that I'd have this.
You made us so proud.
Yeah, I never thought I'd have this. Yeah, because sometimes you need to take a moment to deep it. Like, you know, I'm looking at all of you right now and I'm just like, wow. For me, that's mad. But yeah, it's been wonderful. I have really great relationships with each of you, you know, like really positive relationships. So everything just comes from a great place, you know, like you have your ups and downs, and not always is everything going to be perfect, but that doesn't matter. It's not about perfection, you know, it's about connection, and I have amazing connections in this room, so I'm just gassed. So thank you very, very much from the bottom of my heart. I cannot repay you. I genuinely cannot repay you. What everybody has spent getting the outfit, this whole like putting everything together for, you know, going out to eat, I genuinely cannot. And hopefully one day, then I can repay you all the favour. That's the aim. Yeah, thank you.
I wasn't expecting to get emotional.
You guys. I don't want to see you hesitating like this. Yeah?
Sienna, do you want to sit next to me?
Did you hear me say? I hope there's no spiders on the chair. No. Outside. What's the ladybug? Ladybug is good luck. It was in my hair. Is it? Well, let's see the smash.
Ladybugs are good luck.
Morning guys, so I did an update. Today is yacht day. The theme is all pink. It's bikinis and martinis. We're currently at the dock. Gonna jump out on the yacht. If you see those little boats there, I think that's what we have to get in to go to the boats in the back. We weren't told that, but yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Control of me, I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
Made it, guys. Made it.
Baby, when you're kissing me, oh baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock?
Hey, Miss Samuel.
Not yet, not yet.
I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Roll with me, oh baby. Roll with me, over me. Control with me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I could handle you as just a friend. Oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Oh no, stopping me.
To introduce myself, my name is Tatiana. I'm going to be your captain for the next 5 hours. Our sailor in our safe, George over there, and our sailor in our sous safe, Thomas, the guy that brought the second tender. I hope he's coming. And even if he's not, it's gonna be a girly trip with them.
Yes.
It's a lot.
If you leave, be my desire. While it's ours, then while it's
Those birds gonna take this little bit.
that you are love. That you are love.
I'm not good at this vlogging stuff. I forgot to show you what we've eaten, but we had risotto, mustard, salad, and then like an apple salad. It was really tasty. This is the aftermath of it, but it was really nice. So guys, this is our last theme. It's till death do us part, and we're all in black.
My way. So tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages now. Say, tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No more damages, no, no. No more damages. Back then when I was a baby girl, I was yours and you were my world. Tell me what you wanna do for me now. Take it down and I will hold you to run my race. Cause you run it right there. Run my race, cause you take it right there. I've been down, I've been running right there. I've been out, could you take it back there? Pull up tonight, I might be risky. But me stomach, forget the whiskey. But you still wanna get back with me. You trying to be the one and deal with. Don't got my phone, you're not in my band.
No, it's virgin.
Like a bro. It's virgin.
I didn't need to know that.
It's okay. I'm honest and truthful with you. I don't even I need a name for them. You know how people are like, my lovelies, because my handle is PS Lovely. Yeah.
I love you for that.
Yeah, my lovely. Check in this morning. This is our last day in Mykonos. We're just actually going out to sightsee, look at the town. We're currently in Little Venice. And yeah, we're just gonna see what I want. Guys, just look how beautiful Mykonos is. Absolutely gorgeous. The sun is shining. We're lost, guys. We're lost. We opted to go to Little Venice, and yeah, our driver dropped us off and said, "Oh, just go down there, turn left." We went down there, we turned left, and we're walking, and we can't see what we see on TikTok. So I think we're in the wrong place. Okay, guys, we made it. We made it. Definitely gonna come back here for lunch. Yeah, definitely gonna come back here for lunch. Guys, Little Venice is so lovely. It's really uphill. Everything in Mykonos, Greece is uphill. We're just walking back to go and meet the rest of the group for lunch. We're going to have lunch at D'Angelo's. Oh, these bags are nice. I like that beaded one there in the middle.
That's different.
It's cute. Sorry, yes, attracted.
Oh, hang on. His on there. It's very strong, but it's not bad. But
It is sweet and sour.
they sound nice.
Can't taste it out.
Is it?
It tastes like juice.
What yeah, alcohol is it?
Vodka. I like. You can taste it. Guys, that was, is it called gnocchi?
Yes, potato gnocchi.
Gnocchi. I've never tried gnocchi before, so I said to Sade, I'm gonna help you eat yours.
Chips.
Good.
Chips, basically. Potatoes.
I'm gonna try one. Taste test.
Yeah.
It's got a good crunch on it.
I didn't realise I didn't accept your follow on TikTok.
I think it's some mayo.
I didn't. I just did. Of course, I'm accepted it.
It's not. It's not
I
like
just
chips.
didn't see the notification. I just happened to see it.
chewy.
I didn't see it.
It's nice.
I've done it now. I've done it.
But it's chewy.
Yours one. Yours one.
What is it?
Do you want me to feed you?
Yeah.
It's kind of like dating pasta. Yeah.
It's like what?
Like processed.
With potato.
Like potato.
Potato pasta.
I thought it was just potato. Yeah, sorry guys.
Sorry. I keep doing this. I keep eating before showing you.
Yeah. So,
Garlic bread. It's very tasty. It's like a ciabatta. I don't know because it's softer. Yeah. So what is it like? I don't know. What?
like a big dough ball.
Like a
Big dough ball.
big
Big dough ball.
big dough ball. You can tell that I'm not really educated in my different types of breads, but it's a really good bread. It's really nice. Thank you.
Get away.
Looks good, guys.
Mountain.
Boy, I've been watching you.
West Coast, Devin. West Coast, Devin.
Boy, I've been watching you.
West Coast, Devin. West Coast, Devin.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
So guys, a lovely service at D'Angelo. Our favourite waiter, Christina, she said, come across to the bar and go and get a shot. We were like, yes, please, you don't have to ask me twice. Cheers, this is from the
I've been watching you.
Guys, that's a wrap on the trip. We're about to board the plane. Had such a great time. Definitely coming back to Mykonos. Definitely wouldn't recommend it, but be prepared for wind. Yeah, make sure your hair is appropriate because the ponytail had to go. But yeah, the hen Bachelorette was so good. Went with lovely people, had a good time, enjoyed myself. That's me out.
West